Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and as you can clearly see, that gold is flying. Okay, not much to discuss. Same old strategy that we have been following for more than a year. Buy at dip or buy at retracement. So here you can clearly see that I have marked few levels. So let's try to understand those levels. First of all, let's look at the market sentiment. Why gold is flying? You can see gold sets new record peak. Gold prices hit another record high of 4140 per ounce on Tuesday, with investors ramping up safe haven buying amid US-China trade tension. As we all know, the trade tension between US and China have emerged again. This is the main reason why gold is going up, because whenever any crisis comes up globally, gold is bullish. And you can also see there is also an increased bet of US interest rate cut. Whenever there is an interest rate cut, dollar falls and gold shoots up. So this is another reason why gold is flying. Obviously, gold above 4100 is unbelievable, but obviously as a trader, following the trend of the market is the only solution. We cannot predict the market, we can just react according to the situation. So far, okay, gold is super bullish. So if you have any buy right now, because many of you have been holding buy from a long time, okay, you guys are doing excellent. So if you have any buy right now, hold your buy position with trailing stop loss. You can put your stop loss below 4100 as well. Okay, or you can also put your stop loss below 4150, because few of you have been holding gold from 3400, 3600, because I have received messages. So you can put your stop loss below 4100 or 4150. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then same strategy, buy at retracement. But as we have already discussed earlier also, that in a market condition like this, okay, buying at retracement is the best strategy, and you need to hold it, because if you try to scalp in this type of market, you lose the big chunk of the profit. That is a foolish decision if you're exiting at 40-50 pips. This is a market where you just take a buy and you just ride the trend. And obviously buying and selling both are very risky. Selling is out of the question here, because if you sell in this situation, then there is a possibility of getting trapped. And obviously gold is trading at a very record high without any correction, without any proper retracement, so it is also high risk. So use proper stop loss. One more thing I would like to add here is that today we have the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Okay, Fed Chair's speech is there. So market will be crazy. If possible, try to close your positions or use stop loss. Beginners, new traders, do not be too crazy, do not be too excited and lose profit. Now, where are the trading opportunities then? The first opportunity or the best level to buy at retracement is around 4056 to 4050. The black line here, you can see this is the best level where you can look for a buy position. Obviously chances are very minimum that market will come down to this level, but if market drops, then obviously you can look for 4050 to 4056 to provide support to the market. Okay, so keep in mind, if any big sell comes during the US session, then 4050 4056 is the level where you can look for a buy. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, then you can consider opening your account with Vantage. Vantage Markets doesn't require any introduction. It's a global brand. It's a market leader, official partner of Ferrari as well. And if you are a resident of India, and if you're looking for a reliable platform, then you can consider Vantage, especially after the XNES incident, because XNES, was the favorite of many traders, but they are no longer accepting new clients. So you can consider Vantage, because Vantage is a multi-regulated broker and also provide compensation up to 20,000 euros from Financial Commission. Unlike XNES, Vantage also provide up to $1 million insurance. So if you are trading with a big capital, then obviously peace of mind is very important. So you can consider Vantage if you're trading with a big capital, because your money is always safe. And Vantage, also provide swap free accounts. If you deposit around $1,000, so that you don't need to worry about holding your positions, and obviously you also get the best spread in the industry. So feel free to open your account in Vantage, because already they have more than 5 million registered users and 1000 plus products. They also have their own mobile platform where you can trade. They also have their own trading platform for laptop or computer as well. So feel free to open your account in Vantage. The link will be in the description. If you open your account through our referral, you also get access to our premium WhatsApp community. So it's in the description. Bye bye. Take care. But as of now, we need to look for immediate level. So for immediate level, we can look for support around 4117. Why 4117, 4118 around this area? Because the previous same logic. See, nothing has changed. Okay, the previous resistance will become the support here. Same logic. And we also have an immediate support around 4150. As I always tell you guys that see, these levels are from the 15 minutes time frame, minor levels. But gold is super bullish, so we are looking for support around these levels. During the day, especially before US session, if market takes support around 4117, 4150, we can look for a buy position. Okay, but in case you see that there is a big red candle, obviously you need to avoid and wait a little longer. That's it. Okay, so these are the two immediate levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. If gold shows deeper retracement, we can look for buy around 4050, 4056. Okay, now if gold doesn't come for retracement, because maximum time we see that gold doesn't come for retracement, okay, it is in its own mood. Okay, so we can look for buy at breakout. See, there are only two possibilities: either market will be going down or market will be going up. So if market goes up, okay, then consolidation. Yes, consolidation is going to play a major role. If you see market consolidates here for a while, for at least 1 hour, then you can look for a buy above 4170 or 4171, because before any breakout, consolidation is important. Right now I can see that market has consolidated for 15-30 minutes. Okay, if you see few more candles, then it is a good sign that market is getting ready for another breakout. So if market consolidates for 1 to 2 hours and then market breaks 4171, then you can look for buy at breakout. Okay, and obviously chart is dynamic, chart is changing very frequently on gold. So during the day, okay, if market continues the trend, listen to me carefully, if market continues the trend, okay, you simply you can look for price action. Means you can simply look for the previous resistance when it will become support. For example, if a breakout comes above 4171, later on the same level will become the new support. Means later on you can look for buy at pullback around the same level when 4170 4171 will become a new support. Okay, so whenever market follows a trend like this, okay, you simply need to draw the retracement levels, because when market will come for retracement or pullback, you can buy instantly. And nothing much to discuss here, because gold is super bullish and there is no indication, okay, of trend reversal yet. But yes, the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman is going to be important one. Maybe we will see some correction or some selling, okay, at the time of or after the speech. Let's wait and watch, because obviously nobody expecting gold to fly like this. Okay, and without any retracement, without any correction, okay, this is not very healthy. So obviously we need to be careful also, because if you trade blindly, okay, then if a drop comes, you may lose all the profit. So use proper stop loss. So bye bye, take care.